Hi friends! Recently, OpenAI announced that in India it will make ChatGPT's Go plan free for users for 1 year, starting from 4th of November 2025. The free plan of ChatGPT only offer a limited file uploads and also limited chat. If you choose the ChatGPT's Go plan, you will have expanded chat access to GPT-5 with expanded messaging and also file uploads. Earlier, the ChatGPT's Go plan costs 399 rupees monthly, but with this current offer, you can use ChatGPT's Go plan freely for a year. So, let's see how you can also get its Go plan at zero cost. First, search ChatGPT in your web browser and log in to ChatGPT with your account. Here you can see the Upgrade for Free button on top. Click on it. Here you can see the Go special offer for personal use. Click on Upgrade to go under its Go plan. Wait for a few seconds to load the subscription screen. Here you can see all the amount breakup. You don't have to pay yet any money, but still you have to make a subscription using either your card or UPI. Just enter your details and check the box of terms and hit Subscribe button. It will send you a request on the specified subscription method. Approve the request and you're good to go. Here on the top, you can see that a green button is displaying that you are subscribed to ChatGPT Go. You will also receive a mail on your registered mail ID regarding your subscription. Now you can start using ChatGPT Go for a period of 12 months. Use it for 12 months, and if you want to continue after that, then it will automatically deduct the amount from your account. But if you don't want the subscription after 1 year, then better to cancel the subscription before the free plan ends. Thanks for watching. Hope it will help you.